If you've ever found a video on X, formerly Twitter, that you wanted to save for later, this video is going to show you the quickest way to do it. Whether it's a funny clip, a useful tutorial, or a post you want to come back to later, saving videos on X is simple once you know where to tap. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick how-to videos just like this. Let's get right into it. First, open the X app or go to x.com in your browser and find the video post you want to save. You can scroll through your feed, search for a topic, or open a specific tweet that contains the video you want to keep. Once you've found the video, look at the bottom right area of the video tweet. You should see a small bookmark icon there. This is the save button. All you need to do is click or tap that bookmark icon. As soon as you do that, the video tweet will be saved to your bookmarks on X. This means you can come back to it anytime without having to search for it again. If you want to check your saved posts later, you can go to your profile menu and open the bookmarks section. That's where every post you save will be stored in one place for easy access. It's a very fast process, and it works great when you want to organize videos you like without liking or reposting them publicly. Just remember, saving a video this way does not download it to your device. It simply stores the post inside your X bookmarks so you can revisit it later. So again, find the video tweet you want to save, click the bookmark icon at the bottom right, and you're done. That's the easiest way to save x.com or Twitter videos for later. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next quick tutorial.